Hi, I'm Techo Baz. Welcome to the channel that's all about radio, vintage, turntables, stereos, all sorts of things. I hope you like what we do on our channel. Enough of the chit chat, let's get on with the videos.
Well, hello guys. Now, we're looking at a little present that I got delivered to my front door today. Today is Saturday, and this is a little present from a friend of mine in Canberra who donated this little beauty to me. Now, it's a Kriesler, apparently, and as well, he has given me a little note that says, a bonus, some old valves I've had for 30 years. Better you have them. So, there is some valves. We have a 6N8 in amongst that, I can see. We have, I'll just get this so we get him out of the road. We have a 6V4, very handy. And oh look, a 6M5. We all know that we can't do without these. Now, they will be extremely handy. I see a 6AN7 in there as well. So thank you, Rob. Thank you so much for this. Now I'm just going to do a quick, unboxing, unveiling of this radio. I haven't seen it. I don't know exactly what it is, but let's all have a look together. And this will be a little project that won't be too far away to rebuild. I think it would make an excellent project for us, for everyone concerned, because most people love Krieslers. It's obviously a Kriesler, but what, I don't know. Okay, there's the back. Let's have a look, see. Oh yes, what an excellent project this is going to make. We've just got to get him around. We have one knob missing, and shaft a bit rusty there. Obviously had a fair bit of use. Rest of it, dial glass, perfect condition, beautiful. Kriesler, all intact. The name is intact. Not very often you come across these. Normally they're broken or chipped or something that's, yeah. So, we'll probably, I'll get this out of the road for you. Okay, we're probably looking at the very next restoration in this series. All very hard to move. No tuning dial cord by the looks of this. I would say it's this one. Doesn't actually move. I would say this will polish up quite nicely. On the back, we're looking at the top. Obviously comes off this somehow. It's in two pieces. Underneath, let's have a look underneath. Now, what do we have under here? It's an 11-7 Kriesler. And the back And oh yes, this is very, very original, guys. There you go. We'll just have a little bit of a closer look there. Yes, we'll have our work cut out ahead of us with this fella. Most definitely. What a lovely old radio. Okay, well, this is going to be our next project. So we better keep an eye out on this one. See how we go with it. There's all the information there on regarding what she is. An 11-7. Wow. Okay guys, we'll leave it at that, and we will see you very soon with the start of the... Oh, by the way, love the power cord. Very nice. Yeah, may need the dim bulb for this one. I don't think that would work very well. So many interesting things with this radio. Anyway, we're not touching this until it's time for the repair, which will be very, very soon in the big 11-7 restoration. Okay guys, we'll catch you later on. Bye for now.